I recently bought Meta stock when it went down to around $600 in November. But based on its recent earnings call, its Capex spend on AI, even with continued strong revenue growth, the math doesn't really support an easy double within the next few years. So if you hold Meta or want to buy Meta, please make sure you watch this video before going ahead. First, let's analyze Meta's growth over the past few years. In 2024, Meta did about $165 billion in revenue, and 62 billions of it was net income, a huge 38% net margin. In 2025, the revenue stepped up to $201 billion and net income was around $60 billion. Margins came down to around 30%. Still extremely profitable, but clearly off the 2024 peak. On the cash side, 2024 operating cash flow was about $91 billion, with free cash flow of about $52 billion after $39 billion of capex. In 2025, cash flow increased to $116 billion and free cash flow landed in mid 40s. But in 2026, Meta forecasts that they'll spend between 115 to 135 billion dollars in capex. So this will deliberately haircut the net margins from 30% to say about 28% or 26% and 24% to reflect higher costs in AI infrastructure, depreciation, etc. Let's calculate how much the revenue and net income will be based on these numbers. Assuming net revenue continues to grow at 18%, for cash flow, even if in 2027 and 2028 they spend around 130 or 145 billion dollars, mind you, they have spent around 125 in 2026 itself. So the result is that free cash flow, as you can see, is almost flat at roughly 5 billion in 2026 and about 10 billion in 2027 and 28, despite continued revenue growth. Now let's turn that into implied share price, what the share price will be. Even if you use a 30 PE multiple, that is more than what Meta is at right now. It is around 28 PE. That gives me EPS of around 30 in 2028. That means around $900 in 2028, which means less than 50% increase over the next 3 years. That is similar to what S&P index has returned over the last 20-25 years. Before we conclude, I want to make sure this capex risk is not just for Meta. Alphabet is spending roughly $180 billion in 2026. Microsoft spending around $100 billion in 2026. Although Apple's spending in capex is quite low at around $35 billion. As percentage of net income, that means Meta is spending twice the net income in it. Alphabet around 130 to 140%, whereas Microsoft about 100 to 120%. Apple is spending only 25 to 30% of its net income on capex. If the revenue growth accelerates, that might give better returns for Meta. But based on the current numbers and increased capex spending, that seems unlikely. Basically, Meta, Alphabet, Microsoft are effectively reinvesting more than 100% of their profits back into AI, back into Capex. And that makes up a huge chunk of their expense base, while Apple is playing a more conservative game. So, in conclusion, Meta's core business and revenue growth is still strong, but the margins might decrease considering the increase in spend in Capex. If you find this helpful, please let me know in the comments if you want a similar analysis for any of the other companies. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.